Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm standing in front of a 2024 Bennington 23 RSB. This boat does have the cladded arch, has the tri-tune with the ESP performance package, and a 300 horsepower Mercury motor. This boat has the rippled silver paneling with a smooth ocean blue accent. We do have our blackout package on it. Come around to the back of the boat and let me show you some of my favorite features. We've got a really nice large extended aft deck. This is the swing back model, so it gives you a really versatile seating arrangement, and this is our ski pylon. Come around to the other side of the boat. We have our lily pad ladder, which is cable assisted for easy deployment and retraction. It also has really nice large steps as well. Come inside and let me show you some more features. Up here in the bow, we have a really nice 2 forward chase loungers with flip down armrests on either side. We even have a pop-up headrest as well. We've got our speakers located up at a nice point with chargers there as well. We have a nice wraparound L-style lounger chair. This is the swing back seat I was telling you about. That'll give you forward and rear facing seats. This will also deploy completely underneath to give you a full sun pad with flip up backrests. We have the elevated helm on this boat with the 12-inch digital Simrad dash. Also have your Bluetooth stereo, wireless charging available, and RBG lighting package. Please come see this boat at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you so much.